Let's head overseas now. The US Department of Justice says more than a dozen documents were taken down from the Epstein files database, and that was after complaints were made by victims' rights groups. North America correspondent Rachel Clayton has been keeping across it all for us. Rachel, hello. What can you tell us?
Good morning, Emma. Well, we've finally heard from the Department of Justice about those retractions, the documents that were taken down. The first trove of documents was released on Friday. There was a deadline of midnight to release all of them, and we know the department missed that deadline because it said it needed more time to redact victim information. The Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche spoke on American media this morning, and he explained that some of those documents had been pulled from the Epstein files library because a New York judge had ordered the department to listen to victim survivor groups if they had any concerns about information that had been published. We can hear what he had to say.
A judge in New York has ordered us to listen to any victim or victim rights group if they have any concerns about the material that we're putting up. But we learned that there are concerns. Of course, we're taking that photograph down and we're going to address it. If we need to redact faces or other information, we will, and then we'll put it back up.
A lot of legal threats flying around as well lately. Do we know anything more? Has anything happened on that front yet?
Yeah, that's right. So two congressmen in particular, a Democrat, Ro Khanna, and Republican Thomas Massie, were saying over the weekend they were exploring all legal options after the department missed that deadline. They've both now said that they will be bringing charges of contempt of Congress against Attorney General Pam Bondi. They've told the Washington Post that they're going to give Ms. Bondi a 30-day grace period, and then after that they're going to issue fines every day to her until she releases all of the Epstein files. So it is likely that a lot more of those files are going to be published between now and 30 days down the track. We were told on Friday by the department that hundreds of thousands of documents will be published in coming weeks. So Ms. Bondi may be lucky enough to miss out on those fines if she's able to release everything in the next 30 days.